Hi, this is Raksil. Review of VoltageOS Android 12 official 1.2, right? This build just got released yesterday. We have these 3 custom recoveries to install this custom ROM: Orange Fox unofficial, latest, and Pitch Black recovery project, right? 3.1 unofficial. When you flash this custom ROM, use these 3 recommended recoveries to install this custom ROM. And this is vanilla build. We don't have GF's build. All right. And here, this is some huge changelog here. Device side shifted to new trees thanks to Navin Johnson, right? The trees has been shifted to new trees. Okay, we have the same trees that is used in Octavie custom ROM now. All right, and the kernel has been shifted to Soviet Star thanks to NATO 66613. Okay, so this is the new charging animation, pixel charging animation, right? Okay, get here, and the launcher is quick step launcher here, right? Double tap gesture, double tap on empty space to lock the screen, right? That is working. And here, let's go to wallpaper and settings, theme, let's see, and we have some new voltage wallpaper here, right? Let's take this one, and we have some changes here. We got some new tile in quick setting panel, APS info, right? On the top left corner you can see the FPS, right? This is working. And we have DC dimming, high brightness, right? You can see the difference, right? High brightness is working. And here we have one more new tile, this music tile. This is also new. The music tile, right? You can turn on off here, right? It has stopped playing. Let's turn it on, right? This is working. And if we go to settings, Google Play Store, about, and we have device is certified out of the box, right? And let's see the safety net. Safety net, all the profile is passing without any problem, right? So you don't have any problem with your banking application. That is good. And DRM info, we have security level L1, right? Let's go to settings, about phone, Android version 12. As you can see, this is Android 12. We have the latest security patch, 5th December 2021, and the kernel has been shifted to Soviet Star. This is the new stock kernel for your VoltageOS in this update, Soviet Star. SE Linux status is enforcing, and we have customization here, Power Hub for your status bar, quick settings, themes, buttons, lock screen, power menu, notification, miscellaneous, right? These are some customization you can do. I have enabled custom color here, right? And the Monet wallpaper theme is working like a boss. And this is the screen on time stats. I was browsing in 80% brightness, and I was also running some Geekbench. And right, let's see the benchmark. You can see the benchmark is multi-score is 2496 and the single score is 747, but this is a disappointing score from me, as the Chrome use Soviet star. It should have been more than this, right? In the previous build we get to see the stock camera, but now we have this camera. You don't have much option, you just have QR scan, camera and video, right? This is how it looks. Settings, gyroscope suggestion, image quality. But if you increase the image quality, the picture will turn out something like this. So it's better to keep this value in 0. Right. Okay, so these are the new changes in this update. Alright, here you have this kill application free form, right? Like floating window, you can use these gestures, and these are some useful gesture, right? And this ROM is stable. You have SE Linux status enforcing safety net pass, Play Store is certified, and you won't see any bug here. The ROM is stable. You can definitely try this custom ROM as your daily driver, right? Now let's go to custom recovery and start with the flashing guide, right? And this recovery is latest unofficial Orange Fox. Alright, use the recommended 3 recoveries to install this custom ROM, and go to wipe and select Dalvik cache system vendor data. You need to wipe this partition, select and swipe to wipe. Now once it is wiped, now go to the folder where you have placed the files. This is vanilla build. You will need GApp, right? You will need GApps. I will use Flame GApps here. Now and you will need Android 11 firmware of your device region. Use the latest firmware. Now select the firmware, Android 11 firmware, add to queue, select VoltageOS, add to queue, select the GApps. Now swipe to install, right? This is going to take some time, so please be patient while flashing any custom ROM. Don't try to cancel, otherwise you might get heartbreak or anything might happen. Okay, now once this 3 zip file is completely installed, if your phone is encrypted, then you need to format your data, right? You need to go to wipe and format. Okay, all the 3 file has been completely installed. Now let's go. Now I will flash DFE. If you are not encrypted, then you need to flash DFE, right? But if your phone is encrypted, then you don't need to flash DFE. select and install the FE if you are decrypted. Right now, reboot system. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video, and thanks for watching, and thank you for your amazing support. Please keep supporting like this, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel if you enjoy watching this type of content like custom ROM flashing, custom ROM review. Then definitely hit the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Right, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.